Hi guys, today we're opening Pokemon trading card game. Thank you Kristen for this Pokemon trading card game. Energy card, energy card, energy. Hop, Brgy, Charmeleon, Slugma, Magcargo, energy card, Great Ball, Charmander, Xianne, energy card, Bead, energy card, Leon, Ordinary Rod, Switch, Sonia, Dan, energy card, Mega, energy card, Hop, Magcargo, Slugma, energy card, Xianne, Hop, Charmander, energy card, Professor's Research, Voodoo, Charmeleon, Switch, Great Ball, energy card, Sonia, Mega, energy card, Professor's Research, Ordinary Rod, energy card, Leon, Hop, Slugma, Evolution, Incest, Dan, Charmander, energy card, Bead, Charmeleon, energy card, Sudowoodo, Xianne, energy card, and Charizard.